Hey y'all, I'm Krista with Country K-Dance, and today I'll be teaching I'm Fabulous, which is a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate/advanced level line dance. There are no tags or restarts. I'm gonna teach it 1/8 count at a time. Let's turn around and get started. All right, this first 8 count starts with 2 chugs. We're gonna keep our weight on our left foot the entire time, chug with the right, and these chugs are gonna bring us around all the way to the back wall, 1/2 turn. So we chug 1, chug 2, and I made a 1/2 turn. Again, left foot stays on the ground, right foot chugs, 1, 2, and I'm already at the back wall. I'm gonna turn around so that you can see my feet for the rest of the 8 count, but pretend like we just did 2 chugs. After those 2 chugs, we're going to do right heel forward, right foot down, left foot forward. That is a heel ball step, similar to a kick ball change, which you can also do here if you prefer. So counts for that after we chugged 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So let's put together the 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 1, 2 is going to take us around to the back, so the 3 and 4 will be facing that back wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, chug 1, chug 2, 3, and 4. Good. Now I'm going to stay facing this way so that you can see what the 3 and 4 looks like from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, chug 1, chug 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. From here, our 5, 6 is just 2 walks forward, right, left, and then we have and 7 and 8 and 1. So this part's a little bit quick. We go right, left, then we put our knee inwards, out, flick, cross. Okay, so that's the fast part. After we do our 2 walks forward, 5, 6, it goes and 7, and 8, and 1. All right, a little bit faster from the 5. We walk 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, let's put it together from the top. I'm gonna face back so that after the chugs you can see all the footwork from the back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, chug, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Let's do that one more time, facing that same direction. 5, 6, 7, chug, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Awesome. Now let me show you what it looks like if we actually start facing the 12 o'clock wall. 5, 6, 7, chug, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. All right, so for this second 8 count, technically we would start facing the back wall, but again, I'm going to show you what it looks like where you can see what my feet are doing. So we just finished with our right foot in front on 1. On 2, we're gonna make a quarter turn to our right, stepping our left foot back. That's 2. On 3, we collect the right foot in, and then and 4, we pop our heels up and back down. Okay? So we're here on 1, we step 2 together, 3 and 4. One more time. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Walk 2, walk 3, and 4. Good. From here, we're going to take our left foot forward on the diagonal, scuff the right foot, still on that diagonal. This will be a small scuff. Then you'll keep turning to your left, right, left, left crosses behind, and then we're going to do a 3/4 unwind to end up facing this wall right here. Boom. Okay? Again, counts for all that. We're here on 1. Step on 2. Step on 3 and 4. Step 5, scuff 6. We're going to go right, left on and 7, unwind 8. Same speed, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, step 5, scuff 6, and 7, turn 8. All right, let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, step 2, step 3, and 4, step 5, scuff 6, and 7, turn 8. Good. Okay, let's do that a little bit faster, and then we'll turn and face the wall that we're supposed to be at right now. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, walk 2, 3, and 4, step 5, scuff 6, and 7, turn 8. Good. All right, so let's face this back wall. This is actually where we will be facing the first time around. So we're here on 1. We step 2, 3, and 4, step 5, scuff 6, and 7, turn 8. A little faster. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and put those 2 8 counts together. So this is what it looks like, actually starting from the 12 o'clock wall. 5, 6, 7, 8, chug 1, chug 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, walk 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good, let's do that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, chug 1, chug 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now, if you need to see my feet from the back for most of that, let me try facing the 6 o'clock wall for you. 5, 6, 7, chug 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, at the end of the second 8 count, we end up with our feet together and we're facing the 9 o'clock wall. So that's how we start the third 8 count. Third 8 count starts with 2 chugs forward. We're gonna chug on our right leg and pop our left knee, and then on our left leg and pop our right knee, okay? Those are meant to be super sassy. So we're here, we just did our unwind on 8, we chug 1, 2, okay? On 3 and 4, we're gonna do right foot forward, recover onto the left, and then right foot back, big step, because you slide on 5, okay? So again, we did our 1, 2, forward 3, and 4, 5. Okay, so that's kind of a long drag. One more time, a little faster. We did our unwind. 7, 8, chug 1, chug 2, forward 3, and 4, 5. Good. From here, on and 6, we're gonna make a quarter turn to our right to end up back at our 12 o'clock wall. On the and 6, we step left, right. We kind of just step underneath ourselves, left, right. There's not too much movement there besides turning 1 quarter to the right. Okay, so let's add that onto the top. 5, 6, 7, unwind, chug 1, chug 2, forward 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Good. From here, we're gonna step forward on our left, and then we will make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back on our right to face the back wall. Okay, so again, we just did our and 6, step forward left, step back right on 7, 8. So to put that 8 count together, unwind 8, chug 1, chug 2, forward 3, and 4, 5, and 6, step 7, turn 8. Good, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, unwind, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, unwind, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. We are 3/4 of the way there. Let's put those first 3 8 counts together, starting from our 12 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, chug, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, chug, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try that again, but I'm going to start facing the back wall so you can see my feet most of the time. 5, 6, 7, 8, chug, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, chug, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, to start the 4th 8 count, we should have our weight in our right leg behind us, and we should be facing our 6 o'clock wall. On 1, 2, we're going to do a rock recover, left, right, but we have to turn 1/4 to the left. So we turn, left, right. On and 3, we're going to shuffle our feet, left, right. Don't quite put your weight on that right foot just yet, because on that and 3, we body roll, and we finish it on 4 in that right leg. So let's just do that part. Weights in our right leg. We step 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, roll 3, 4. Good. And 5, we're going to do another little shuffle with our feet. Left, right. This time we actually took a step with the right foot, and we did a 1/4 turn to our right. So let's just do that part. From 8, we go 1, 2, roll 3, 4, and 5. We're prepping to continue a full turn. One more time. 5, 6, 7, back, 8, 1, 2, roll 3, 4, and 5. To finish this out, we step forward on our left, pivot over our right shoulder onto the right, and then another half turn over our right, left foot together. That ends it. Okay? So that whole 8 count slow from the top. Back on 8, rock, 1, 2, and 3, settle, 4, and 5, step, 6, pivot, 7, pivot, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, back, 8, rock, 1, 2, and roll, 4, and 5, step, 6, turn, 7, turn, 8. All right, let's do that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, back, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, and roll, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's it. That's all 4 8 counts, all 32 counts. So let's go ahead and put it all together. Ready? From the top. 5, 6, 7, chugging, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is facing the 12 o'clock wall. Now let's do it facing 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, chugging, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it one more time, a little bit faster, more up to speed, and we'll do both walls back to back so you get a feeling of going from one to the other. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, chugging. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, chug. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, chug. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, chug. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's it. That's the line dance, I Am Fabulous. It is a super fun line dance to a very fun upbeat song, so please have the most fun with it. It's one of my current favorites. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll have a link to the demo right over here, and I will link the demo and the step sheet in the description. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.